We're dealing with a toilet problem. We've had a problem with the tenants in this unit saying that their toilet will keep running. So we're going to take on a little quick flapper repair project. I've already shut the water off at the shut off, and now I flushed it so it took the water level down, and now I'm going to remove the old flapper and the old style. And we're going to place on this a new universal flapper. And it's a good brand. It's a national brand. It's well known. And now we have that seated there. And we have to connect the chain at the right length to the handle. So we want to connect that on there. And we'll go in the center hole because the old one was in the center hole. And then we have to make some adjustments on the chain itself to make sure that it lifts up at the proper time. And it has a float on there, and I'm going to leave that on there to help keep the chain from getting underneath the flapper and causing that to also run. So as I said, now I'm going to adjust the chain. Excuse me for a second. And now we have the flapper adjusted, and I'm reaching down and opening up the water supply line. Letting this fill. And through the magic of pause, we will have this filled in no time. And now the toilet is full, and there's no sound of leaking water, and the fill valve has shut off at the right level. And so now it's just an issue of pulling the handle and flushing the toilet. And then it will refill, and now it seats. Very simple project.